Hi, Mama and Papa. Happy 40th anniversary. Wow, 40 years. 14,610 days of togetherness. That definitely deserves a special gift. So, here it is in the form of this video. Hope you enjoy it. Miss you loads. Love you both.
Happy anniversary, Dadu and Daddy.
Hello, guys. I hope all of you are doing well. And here I am recording the first selfie of my life. And it happens to be on a very special occasion, the 40th anniversary of my dear Bhabi and my younger brother. And I wish them both a very happy anniversary and many more to come. This anniversary also sets us up for another special occasion which would come very soon, I'm sure, the way time is passing. And it would be their golden anniversary, another 10 years. And God willing, we may be able to all spend it together as a family. Let's hope for the best. So once again, all the best, and may the Lord's blessings be on all of us. Bye-bye. Take care.
Hi Vijay and Rama, wishing you a very happy 40th wedding anniversary. Oh yes, it is the Ruby anniversary. Ruby, which is a symbol of love, passion and devotion, which both of you have for each other. We still remember the December night 40 years ago at Jew Hotel in Mumbai, when both of you tied the holy knot. In spite of all the ups and downs in your life, it has become stronger and stronger over a period of time. We only wish that you shall have many more years of life full of health, happiness and peace, as wealth and material things have very little meaning at this age. We can only say that together you have found happiness along life's busy way. Together you have seen your love grow deeper day by day. Together you have shared the joy of seeing dreams come true. And together may the future hold still greater joys for both of you. Wishing once again a very happy 40th wedding anniversary to our dear little sister, who no longer is a little one now, and to dearest Vijay, who is very dear to both of us. God bless you.
हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी रमा एंड विजय. जो राजीव ने बोला वो डिट्टो डिट्टो है. बस तो भगवान तुम्हें सब खुशियाँ दे, सेहत अच्छी रखे और बच्चों की खुशियाँ देखो. थैंक यू. बाय.
Bye.
Hello Rama and Vijay. Wish you a very very happy 40th wedding anniversary. सदा खुश रहो, ठीक रहो, हंसते रहो और हर साल ऐसे ही अपनी वेडिंग एनिवर्सरी मनाते रहो. मेरी तरफ से बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं आप दोनों को.
Hi, Rama and Vijay. Happy 40th wedding anniversary. में खुश रहो तुम सदा, ये दुआ है मेरी. खुश रहो तुम सदा, ये दुआ है मेरी. मुझे अभी भी वो छोटी सी अपनी बहन याद आती है जिसके पैसे मैं मार लेती थी, जिसके लड्डू मैं खा लेती थी, जिसकी पिनिया मैं खा लेती थी. वो अभी भी मुझे छोटी सी अपनी वो बहन याद आती है जो हमेशा मेरे साथ मेरे दुख सुख में खड़ी थी. हमेशा जब भी मुझे उसकी ज़रूरत थी वो थी मेरे साथ. बस भगवान तुम दोनों खुश रहो, ऐसे ही अपनी एनिवर्सरी मनाते रहो और 50th क्या गोल्डन क्या डायमंड एनिवर्सरी मनाते रहो. बस यही मेरी और सतीश की दुआ है. वी लव यू सो मच, सो मच, सो मच. थैंक्स.
Congratulations, Rama and Vijay, on completing your 40th anniversary. You two make the best of couple and complete each other in every way possible. May the love and bond that you share keep on growing stronger with each passing year. Eat, treat, enjoy, and keep loving each other. Rama and Vijay to note, please. May your life is full of joy, happiness, lots of fun, and you have long togetherness with good health. Good, you have now 2 maids, so you have all the time to enjoy. Finally, have many more years of blissful married life. Let us wish we all meet soon. Bye bye.
हाय रमा, हाय विजय. कहना है आप दोनों को कुछ खास. रमा विजय, तुम दोनों हो लाजवाब. मानती हूँ मोस्ट हैपनिंग कपल हो तुम. कंपैटिबिलिटी अंडरस्टैंडिंग का कोई हिसाब नहीं. विश्वास का बंधन यूं ही बना रहे. प्रेम का सागर यूं ही बहता रहे. दुआ है रब से सुख समृद्धि मिले भरपूर. उम्र भर ये सिलसिला चलता रहे. हर पल खुशियों का साथ रहे. प्यार की यूं ही बरसात रहे. हमेशा यूं ही साथ साथ रहे. बच्चों की खुशियां देखो फलो फुलो तुम. 40th एनिवर्सरी सेलिब्रेट करें. खिलखिलाए हंसे खूब मजे करें. स्टेप से स्टेप मिला के रॉक एंड रोल करें. प्यार भरे नगमे गाएं क्योंकि रमा विजय ये दिन है कुछ खास. तुम दोनों को हमारे दोनों की तरफ से ढेर सारा प्यार.
Wish you all the best.
Hi, Mamu Mami. Wishing you a very happy 40th anniversary. Enjoy your day.
Happy 40th anniversary. Have a great time.
Enjoy. Bye.
Happy anniversary, Mamu and Mami.
विश यू लोड्स ऑफ लव एंड टुगेदरनेस फॉर मेनी मोर इयर्स टू कम. मामू को भूलने नहीं देंगे मामी.
Happy anniversary again.
Happy
Anniversary, Mamu and Mami. Bye-bye.
Hi Choti Bua, hi Vijay Uncle. Wish you a very very happy 40th anniversary. Lots and lots of love to both of you.
Happy anniversary, Bua and Vijay Uncle. Have a great day.
Hi Rama Bua, hi Vijay Uncle. Wish you a really happy 40th anniversary. I think from the time you guys have been coming to Char Bangla, which is pretty much when I was a kid, I've seen you guys share the most amazing compatibility. You guys are more like buddies or have such a great connection. I see you all sitting in the living room and discussing things in the morning and just like, planning your day together or just like planning what to buy together. And I think the camaraderie is beautiful. It's really inspiring and I hope to find a partner and have a connection like you guys do. And yeah, I wish you lots of happiness, lots of love and a lifetime of sunshine. So yeah, love you guys. Happy anniversary.
40 years passed with sorrows and joy. Right after you started as a girl and a boy. At times marriage fade with the number of years. But in your case, with happiness, every year it gears. Keeping each other happy in love is a tough job. You both look so happy together and you make the tough look so easy. So congratulations Ramaji and Vijayji on completing 40 years of togetherness. May you always remain this happy with each other. May happiness and joys both to you because couples like you are very few. May this lovely life of yours never ends and you enjoy every moments as spouse and friends. So today party as if you two have just turned 4. Rock the floor and enjoy to the core. So happy wedding anniversary, happy 40th wedding anniversary. May God bless you with all the happiness. Stay happy, healthy and blessed always. Enjoy your day We all love you so much. Love you. And here is a special song for Mrs. and Mr. Bajaj. Enjoy the song.
मुझे कितना प्यार है तुमसे, अपने ही दिल से पूछो तुम, जिसे दिल दिया है वो तुम हो, मेरी जिंदगी तुम्हारी है।
मुझे कितना प्यार है तुमसे, अपने ही दिल से पूछो तुम, जिसे दिल दिया है वो तुम हो, मेरी जिंदगी तुम्हारी है।
चाहत न तेरी मुझको कुछ इस तरह से घेरा, दिन को है तेरे चर्चे, रातों को ख्वाब तेरा।
तुम हो जहाँ वहीं पर, रहता है दिल भी मेरा, बस एक ख्याल तेरा, क्या शाम क्या सवेरा।
मुझे कितना प्यार है तुमसे, अपने ही दिल से पूछो तुम, जिसे दिल दिया है वो तुम हो, मेरी जिंदगी तुम्हारी है। पर अब करीब आए।
मुझे कितना प्यार है तुमसे, अपने ही दिल से पूछो तुम, जिस दिल दिया है वो तुम हो, मेरी जिंदगी तुम्हारी है।
मेरी वफा को अब तो तुम आजमाना छोड़ो, दिल को चुरा के मेरे आंखें चुराना छोड़ो।
मुझको बना के अपना, बातें बनाना छोड़ो, मैं कब न थी तुम्हारी, लेकिन सताना छोड़ो।
मुझे कितना प्यार है तुमसे, अपने ही दिल से पूछो तुम, जिसे दिल दिया है वो तुम हो, मेरी जिंदगी तुम्हारी है। मुझे कितना प्यार है तुमसे, अपने ही दिल से पूछो तुम, जिसे दिल दिया है वो तुम हो, मेरी जिंदगी तुम्हारी है।
नमस्कार रमा जी और विजय जी, मेनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे। आपके एनिवर्सरी के लिए आपको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। मे गॉड गिव यू गुड हेल्थ, हैप्पीनेस एंड हेल्थ प्रॉस्पेरिटी फॉर एवर। मेरे को आपको बोलना है, एक याद मेरे को अभी आई, जब अर्जुन छोटा था तो हम लोग सब साथ में बहुत दिन इकट्ठे सिंगापुर में वी स्पेंड, लेकिन मेरे को बोलना है आपको कि जब मैं अवंती के साथ रहती थी तो जैसे मैके में बोलते हैं ना कि तुम कुछ नहीं करो मैं तुम्हारे लिए खाना बनाऊंगी, ऐसे ही रमा तुमने मेरे लिए राजमा चावल, काली दाल, ऐसे तुम इतना अच्छा खाना बनाती थी और मैं आराम से आके खाना खाती थी। तो आई एन्जॉयड एवरीथिंग विथ यू इन सिंगापुर विजय जी भी मेरे को याद है जब मैं दाल बनाती थी तो बोलते थे कि अंजलि ज़रा दाल ज़्यादा बनाते जाओ. सो यू नो ऑल दिस डेज मतलब मेरे को अभी याद आ रही है कि हम लोग कैसे अच्छी से वो दिन वी स्पेंड टुगेदर. एनीवेज ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर फ्यूचर एंड मे गॉड ब्लेस यू. मैं आपके लिए एक लाइन बोलना चाहती हूँ गाने की. रजनीगंधा फूल तुम्हारे महके यूं ही जीवन में, हाँ यूं ही महके प्रीत पिया की मेरे अनुरागी मन में. रजनीगंधा फूल तुम्हारे. ओके बाय.
नमस्कार विजय जी और रमा जी. First of all, let me wish you a very, very happy anniversary. May all the years that you have spent together be doubled and you have a much more peaceful, healthy and a compatible life together. As I recollect the days that we met first time in your house in Chennai, that was the time when we were a little nervous because we didn't know what kind of people you would be and we were so worried. But having met you that day, I still recollect the confidence that came out of you, or the way we felt that we are part of you and you are part of us. And these years of their wedded time of Avanti and Vikram, we have only learnt more and more things from you, and we have enjoyed being somebody's together. And we wish you all the very best and hope you have many, many years of wedded bliss. Thank you.
हेलो रमा जी एंड विजय जी, आपको आपकी 40वीं वर्षगांठ की बहुत बहुत मुबारक. दुग्गल परिवार की ओर से आपको बहुत बहुत मुबारक. ईश्वर आपका साथ हमेशा बनाए रखे. आखिर में 2 लाइंस आपके लिए. जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हम नवाज. न कोई है न कोई था जिंदगी में तुम्हारे सिवा, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हम नवाज.
Hi uncle, auntie, wish you very happy anniversary, and this 40th anniversary may it bring loads and loads of good luck, and may you travel more and stay together as you always are, a beautiful couple, and God bless you. Happy anniversary once again.
Hi Rama and Vijay, congratulations on this 40th wedding anniversary of yours. Of these 40 years, we have known you for 25 of those years, and it's been a wonderful journey, knowing you both, knowing your parents, knowing your relatives, meeting everybody. We met regularly, interacting with each other, sharing our grief, sharing our happiness, celebrating moments together. It's been a very, very great journey, and many more happy returns of this wonderful anniversary. Let's hope that in the coming years we'll be able to celebrate your anniversaries, not only all our anniversaries and other good occasions together, with lots of laughter, lots of fun, lots of love. Congratulations and all the very best. Take care.
Hi Rama and Vijay. Many happy returns for your Ruby anniversary. Ruby symbolizes full of joy and good fortune. Happy many years of good joy, love, happiness and good fortune together always. Lots of love and hugs from Mahalakshmi.
Hi Vijay uncle and Rama auntie. Wish you a very happy 40th anniversary. Missing your treat. Have a nice day. Lots of love and hugs from Apeksha. Bye.
Hi Vijay and Rama. So happy to know it's your anniversary and we are so happy we have friends like you. You guys are made for each other. The most balanced couple I know. So here's wishing you a very happy anniversary and a great life together.
हाय रमा एंड विजय, दीदी जीजू कहूँ या भैया भाभी पता नहीं, but Sadhguru Sainath has connected us very strongly. So here's wishing you a fantastic anniversary today and always. May you have many many more to come. And here's a small two-liner for you guys. ये बंधन तो प्यार का बंधन है, जन्मों का संगम है. Love you.
Happy anniversary to Rama and Vijay, a couple who's always very loving to each other. There's so much to learn from them. I really admire the way they both take care of each other. And it's so nice of Pooja to have given us the opportunity to talk about them. Lovely to have a daughter too. Thanks, Pooja. Sorry, Sarah is not in town, so his wishes also to be there for Rama and Vijay. Many more years of togetherness, love and happiness.
लख खुशियाँ पातशाहियाँ जो सतगुरु नदर करे, लख खुशियाँ पातशाहियाँ जो सतगुरु नदर करे, 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 लख खुशियाँ पातशाहियाँ जे सतगुरु नदर करे, लख खुशियाँ पातशाहियाँ जो सतगुरु नदर करे. रमा दीदी और विजय भैया, आपको बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो आपकी 40वीं शादी की वर्षगांठ पर. वाहिगुरु जी अपनी मेहर सदा बरसाते रहें आप दोनों पर. Happy 40th anniversary to you both.
Dear Ramadi and Vijay Bhaiya, wishing you loads and loads of happiness and love together. And a big thank you to Pooja for giving us this opportunity to wish mom and dad a very very happy anniversary, because they go out of the way for everybody to make their day so special by sending beautiful videos and pictures. God bless you both. And when the situation is a little better and safe, party to banti hai. Keep rocking and keep smiling.
Dear Rama, Vijay, wish you a very happy wedding anniversary. Lots and lots of happiness to you, and wishing many more holidays with us, which we are missing from last 8 months. Have a good time. Thank you.
Bye. Love you both.
Very very happy wedding anniversary, Rama and Vijay. Wishing you loads of happiness and togetherness always, and it's always been a pleasure spending time with you both.
Happy anniversary Rama and Vijay. Lots of love and happiness to both of you always. Our friendship goes long way back. We became friends because our kids were friends. Kids have moved on, but our friendship has grown stronger. You're the friend with whom I want to share all my secrets, and such a close friend where you know you can say what you want to, especially at least your heartfelt things. So happy for both of you. Have a great day.
Dearest Rama and Vijay Bhaiya, आपकी 40th anniversary पे wishing you both a very very happy, a very loving, a blessed anniversary to both of you. मेरी दिल से दुआ, my wishes, you both live together forever. और हम आपको हर साल इसी तरह विश करते रहें. Stay in love with each other together forever. God bless you both. God bless.
Hi Rama and Vijay, wishing you a very very happy anniversary. 40 years together. Great. I hope I'm right with the number of years. Wishing you many more years filled with joy and health and all the good things of life. And also cheers to our friendship, which has withstood practically 4 generations. I can only say this rishta of ours is truly made dil se. And all the life's milestones that we have covered together are a testimony to the fact that we have always been there for each other. We are there, we will remain. Have fun, enjoy your day. God bless.
Hi Vijay and Rama, wish you a very happy wedding anniversary and wishing you a lot many years of togetherness with happiness.
Hi Rama, Vijay Bhaiya, happy anniversary. Myself and Yogesh, we are so lucky to have known such a sweet couple as yourself in our lives. Learning always from your maturity and affection. Missing all the holidays, not to say. Looking forward, we have to make up for a lot. God bless you both. Love you. Bye.
Hi Rama and Vijay. Happy Ruby anniversary to you both. Wish you all the happiness, you cute lovebirds. We are now waiting for your golden anniversary. Have fun.
Hi Vijay, hi Rama, happy anniversary. Have a lovely anniversary. 40 years, damn good, really good. Keep it up. All the best. Have a lovely day.
Hi Rama and Vijay. Happy 40th anniversary to a couple that's kind, loving, enduring and warm. A beautiful journey you both have had. Life's 40 years together you've shared. Loving and caring and bonding and giving. Nurturing offspring with values. Thanksgiving. Wishing that your continued love does grow and you both bask in its golden glow. Happy anniversary from couple and me. Have a blast, guys. Love you. Hugs.
Hi, Rama and Vijay Bhaiya. Wishing you a very special 40th wedding anniversary. May you have many more years of love and togetherness. We are waiting for the party.
Hi, Mama and Papa. Wish you both a very happy 40th anniversary. I guess I've never expressed this in words before, and here's my chance. You guys are the bestest parents that anyone could ever have. You bring out the best in me, and you're always there for me no matter the distance. Thank you for that. Having the childhood that I have had is probably the best gift that you could ever give me. And I just wish and I hope that I could do the same for Ansh. 40 years ago, when you guys got married, I guess your life was like this. And then when Bhaiya came along, the graph of your life just went upwards with happiness. And then when I came along, the graph just turned into a very big roller coaster ride because I brought in so much excitement and always kept you guys on your toes. And don't worry, that's going to continue for years to come. And that's because picture abhi baki hai, mere dost.
Happy 40th anniversary, Mom and Dad. As said, you don't just marry your partner, you marry their family. And I'm glad that I got you as the family, because from the day we have met, you've always treated me like your son. There are lots and lots of memories which I have with you and I cherish. Like Mom, I really enjoy watching cricket with you, whether it's at home or during our trips. And Dad, you're my favorite beer buddy. So enjoy your day, have lots of fun, and cheers to the next 40.
I love you.
Cheers to 40 years.
Cheers to 40 years.
So now it's time to celebrate this big milestone in your life. So go grab a drink and let's raise a toast to the day that your hearts came together.
Cheers to the couple who loves us unconditionally.
Cheers to the couple who has taught us the meaning of love, values, and care.
Cheers to the most loving Dada Dadi.
And cheers to the coolest Nana Nani.
Cheers to 40 years. Have fun.
Cheers to